I was looking at a lot of the different ecotourism that goes on in Kenya. And so I was primarily focusing on wildlife-based ecotourism, and then also on the flip side, looking at community-based ecotourism, which is more of like the service learning projects. So you're coming in and you're actually getting to do like homestays. And so building upon and learning about the culture from a very intimate setting, rather than kind of coming to the country and just staying in a hotel and learning about it that way, to actually be immersed in that culture. And so looking at those different types of ecotourism and how they're impacting the local communities. And so it was really cool because we got a lot of different sites, you know, that you could look at to kind of compare how that money is filtering back into the community, and you know, how the local villages are being employed at different resorts and things like that.
The first service learning that we did was at Rakanga Primary School, and they had just finished up a new preschool, and so they were clearing some of the grass out front to make some play areas for the children. And so we got there and started clearing with slashers and with
all kinds of different people had like different types of hose, I think, and slashers. Just as a description, a slasher, it kind of resembles a golf club, and the tip, rather than obviously being a golf club, it's got this kind of rounded tip that's sharp around the edges, and you pretty much swing it like you would a golf club as well, and it just cuts through the grass. And when you watch them slashing, it looks wonderful and it looks relatively easy. I mean, how can you get it wrong? And yet we were going through blisters and all, you know, we were sweating, we had blisters, we felt horrible, but we're out there slashing and thinking we're doing a wonderful job, of course. And then you turn around and there are several men behind you, like slashing away because you have done a very poor job.
Several times they were like, "Why don't you go take a break?"
Yeah.
I'd be like, "Oh, I'm okay. I'm really doing okay."
They're like, "No, really, we're having to redo everything that you guys are doing." But it was nice to at least attempt to help.
Absolutely.
Even though we did a rather poor job, it felt really nice to be able to be out there and help them, and just know that you're a part of this new school that's being built.
There was a lot of exchange of dialogue too, and so I think that was a huge part of it too. Was once again exchanging, you know, just those cultural stories and exchanging, you know, what our lives are like, and so I think that's part of the service learning as well. Is, you know, going and providing our time to them, but also our time in talking to them as well.